Okay. I'm Blain Fontana,
I'm Jeremey Nichols.
and we are both from Portland, Oregon.
This is our second, third one together?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Yeah.
It's been a almost effortless kind of process since, with both our styles kind of really matching in similar ways.
Yeah, I was more of abstract until I started painting with this guy. And he kind of threw me under the bus to paint realistic stuff. So I'm kind of new to it, but it's like the most fun thing to paint for me now.
Yeah, and you kill it. Yeah, it's better than anybody. Yeah, never been the Gulf side, but yeah, we love it. Love it. I love it so much. I'm giving serious consideration coming back next year because it's incredible. We're blown away by the amount of murals and the caliber of the murals here, and the community has been just incredibly welcoming and positive. Very, very thankful.